We did name day something. Let's say item. Day of entry. Total number of item. And then we put cost. And we put some formula. Something like that. Doesn't make sense. Michael would just say something else will come later. So between some formula, or let's say between cost and total, I just want to insert a new column next to it. So if I insert a new column, it just becomes great. Can you try that and then we'll continue? It should be a lot quicker to do it this time because we've covered such bases last time, right? So back to Israel. Israel, what's the name of the cell I've selected right now?
The current one.
Yes.
That's the cell
D.
Yeah.
D2. Good. Thank you.